Speaker, committees, and the other one, you said the committee has powers to summon anyone. The committee of the council has no power to summon the mayor. That one, I'm the chairperson of this council. I'm not. If they are seeking guidance, they can come to me. But to be summoned by a committee, it's not anyway. Right. A committee has no powers to summon a mayor or a chairperson of the council. That one I want that one to be written and specified clearly that the mayor is saying that the committee has no powers out of its boundaries. If a committee is given duties to execute, they execute and report back to council. But going out of council, if you remember the training we had in Mr. Speaker. If you remember the training we had, I'm concluding. If you remember the training we had, what sort of committees starts in council and ends there? But they are something you are trying to usurp the powers of the executive. The executive has powers to execute those duties. What you do, you recommend, and the executive implements. But when you say committee have powers if you go in the field and summon people in council without the knowledge of the chairperson, then...
All right, honorable members, this is how I guide. I am going to generate an extract of these minutes, and then I will write the legal department of KCCA for guidance. Is it okay? Yeah. Because my interpretation differs from that of the mayor, and it's important that we're on the same page. I would lose sense of direction. Hold it a little bit, I'll come back to you. Let's decline, proceed, Honorable Chams.